Simple project push button on Tinkercad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Markenji FULLBASTER channel. In this tutorial, I will make a circuit for the push button project. For this video, I don't know how long the video will be going on, but in this first video, I will make the circuit of the push button first. And you can, maybe if you don't want to see this video, you can skip to the next video. After 3 minutes, see this video. Maybe on 30.12 seconds, you can see how I make the code for this push button. This is the different, and the first I have to choose the resistor. Next, we in your image, when what you see, I have the Arduino, no, the breadboard and resistor, and I have been choose the LED. The next what I will choose is the component of the push button itself. This is the push button. Now I have to take I have to choose the cable from the ground to the push button, and I will change the color it to become black. Now we have to give the push button to LED ground. Yeah, that's we choose the black. For your information, we can choose the kind of color of the wire that we want. And after this tutorial, I make the circuit. You can copy it or just follow my circuit. If you want to make your own circuit, it's depend on you want or not. But I suggest you to follow my circuit, because if you have any problem, I cannot help it. Because maybe I can help it by you give the comment from below on my video, on my channel maybe. Okay, the circuit are already done, and I have to change the resistor from kilo to ohm. Because if the height of the resistor make the light cannot glow up, and if you choose the little resistor and make damage on your LED, or your LED can be broken. Now we have to move to the code. Okay, this is the code. Alright guys, you have seen that I have made the circuit of the push button project in Tinkercad. Okay, this is maybe can work if you have the really component, the Arduino Uno, the breadboard, the LED, the push button, and the resistor. Now we go to the code. Okay, see, this is I have not ready give the code for this circuit project for the push button. Now I have to go to the code. This is the code is blank now, because I want to make this from the beginning. Okay, in this first I will type the void setup. In this void setup, okay, remember to give the parenthesis. I think you have to give the parenthesis first complete from the open and the close, cause if you don't, maybe you forget it. This is the mistake for the code maker of the project, or the something someone always forget sometime. because we are the human. We don't we don't perfect because we the human. Okay, now in this file setup you can write the pin mode. I already write the two input pull up. What the different input and pull up? Okay, this is the difference. If we write the input pull up inside the Uno, there is the Atmega. So this command, this syntax will give the post. If we post the button, there will be a light will be glow. If we doesn't push the button, the light will be not glow or off. I will use the say on or off. This will be good. Okay, I already give the pin mode 3 to output. Now I'll comment with my language. Sorry, this is my language. Because this tutorial I have to cover it because I will not make to video for just this. I make this for the international tutorial so you from the other from Indonesia can understand. Okay, we made the void low up. In this we make the void tone that repeatedly can show up. Like what? Yeah, that looping. You know looping, someone can come and go without any limit. Okay, now I already write the if digital read low. Okay, don't forget to give the uh, parenthesis because this is so important. Okay, after that we give the if. Okay, now I already have digital write 3 high and else for digital write 3 low. Okay, just follow my code. I will give you what the different write and read. In this case, if I choose pin 2 become input, there will be uh, this pin will be read, just only read, not write. Write is give the order to the LED to become glow, and read just see what's happened. In the other case, if you use read, it can be to read the sensor or something, and we give the write is give uh, the the order to do something. Now I already finished the circuit, and you see if I push this button, the LED will be on. If I don't push, the LED will be off. You see, this is the pull up LED, the pull up button. The difference is with the common uh, push button project, if we just click or push the push button, this will be on. Sometimes if we push again, it will be die. This is different. You has to push the button and then keep push it. So the light will be the diode or the light will be always on. Okay guys, this is maybe the tutorial. If you have something problem with my language, please comment it below on the description or the on the comment below. And I hope you enjoy my tutorial. If you have any problem or something you cannot understand, you maybe go to the comment. Okay guys, this see you in the next tutorial projects. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.